Many Snapchat users believe that moving photos into My Eyes only automatically makes them impossible for anyone else to access. Unfortunately, that assumption has led some users into a false sense of security. According to Snapchat, more than 900 million people use the platform worldwide, making it an attractive target for cybercriminals seeking account credentials and private content. While Snapchat My Eyes Only is designed to provide an extra layer of protection for sensitive content, it is not immune to account compromise. If a criminal gains access to your Snapchat account, weak passwords, poor security practices, and the absence of two-factor authentication can put your private content at risk. So, is Snapchat My Eyes Only really secure? The answer depends largely on how well you secure the account protecting it. In this video, we'll break down how Snapchat safeguards your My Eyes Only content and what you can do to secure your account. Why Snapchat created a digital safe. As social media evolved, users increasingly wanted ways to store personal photos and videos separately from content shared publicly. To address this need, Snapchat introduced My Eyes Only, a password-protected section within Memories that allows users to hide selected content behind an additional passcode. The feature was designed to improve private vault security and give users greater control over sensitive media. Over time, however, cybercriminals shifted their focus from attacking individual files to targeting entire accounts. Rather than trying to bypass the vault itself, many attackers attempt to steal login credentials through phishing, password reuse attacks, or social engineering. This change in tactics highlights an important cybersecurity lesson. The strongest vault is only as secure as the account surrounding it. Modern account takeovers and social engineering. Snapchat account compromise attempts today rarely involve sophisticated technical attacks against Snapchat's infrastructure. Instead, criminals commonly target users through credential theft. Fake login pages, phishing messages, account verification scams, and leaked passwords from unrelated websites are frequently used to gain unauthorized access. According to Verizon's Data Breach Investigations report, stolen credentials remain one of the most common ways attackers gain access to online accounts. Once a cybercriminal successfully logs into an account, they may attempt to access private messages, personal information, and content stored in Snapchat's My Eyes Only. This is why security experts emphasize account-level protection, rather than relying solely on hidden folders or private storage features. When privacy depends on a single password, many users assume secure photo storage means their content is completely protected from unauthorized access. The reality is more complicated. If an attacker gains control of your Snapchat account through a compromised password, the protection offered by My Eyes Only may become significantly weaker, especially if passcodes are predictable or security settings are outdated. Cybercriminals involved in sextortion and online blackmail often seek private images that can be used for leverage. Even temporary access to an account can allow them to collect valuable personal information. The emotional consequences can be severe. Victims often feel violated, anxious, and uncertain about what information may have been accessed. Understanding these risks allows users to take preventative measures before a Snapchat hack occurs. Warning signs your account may be targeted. Cybercriminals often follow similar patterns when trying to compromise a social media account. This often creates common red flags, such as unexpected login attempts or password reset requests. You may also receive notifications that your account requires attention. These can indicate that someone is trying to gain unauthorized access. In other cases, scammers use phishing tactics to target login credentials. This includes links that direct to unofficial login pages, requests for one-time access codes, and fraudulent security and support alerts. If a scammer has gained access to your account, there will likely be a few indicators. This includes posts to your story or snaps that were sent without your permission. Other changes to your profile, such as your username, password, or email, could mean that an unauthorized party has compromised your account. Strengthening your defenses immediately. If you believe someone may have access to your Snapchat account and My Eyes Only folder, you need to act quickly. Taking early steps can significantly reduce the scammer's ability to inflict harm. We recommend the following approach. Change your Snapchat password immediately using a strong and unique password. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Review active sessions and log out unfamiliar devices. Update recovery email addresses and phone numbers if necessary. Save screenshots of suspicious communications, login notifications, and threats. Avoid blocking a suspected blackmailer immediately if evidence collection is still underway. Preserving communications may assist investigations and help maintain valuable records. Consider contacting a private cybersecurity firm that specializes in account takeover investigations, sextortion cases, and online blackmail incidents. Security starts before the attack. Is Snapchat My Eyes Only really secure? In many ways, yes. The feature provides valuable protection for sensitive content and enhances private vault security. However, no secure photo storage solution can fully protect your information if the account itself becomes compromised. The most effective defense against a Snapchat hack is a combination of strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and ongoing vigilance against phishing and social engineering attacks. Blackmail.HelpLine uses proprietary investigative tools and techniques and has helped thousands of victims respond to account compromise, sextortion, and online blackmail incidents. Investigators collect and preserve digital evidence, and analysts carefully derive critical information that can help support protective action. If you ever fall victim to a Snapchat-related cybercrime, you can count on the team at Blackmail.HelpLine. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com to speak with a specialist and get started today.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.